Hello, I am Wana, and I am sorry for the lousy audio quality. I am having technical trouble. Nevertheless, I make sure that this video will assist you in not tossing your money in the garbage, and I am likewise sure that you are having some doubts about NUVIALABMeno, which is why you will require to pay more attention to the video until the end. I am enthusiastic that, after watching this video, you will be able to make a better choice before purchasing the product. Okay, also, beware of individuals who claim to have utilized NUVIALABMeno when they have never utilized it soap-conscious. Don't be fooled by strange individuals who speak about some miraculous outcomes. It would help if you also were cautious about the website. You will buy the product because NUVIALABMeno is only sold on the official site. It is important to note that no other online shop deserves to resolve this product in their marketplace. Amazon gets the alert since it is only sold on the leading site. However, I felt confident to help you. Therefore, I left the official website link below in the description of this video for you to gain access securely and enjoy your discount. Premenopausal signs are experienced by 80% of ladies entering menopause, and only 20% of the cases are asymptomatic. According to studies, the modifications and symptoms are primarily due to decreased estrogen levels. Estrogen shortage is for female physiological and behavioral changes, including hot flashes, night sweats, state of mind swings, depression, absence of libido, and weight gain. For this reason, I decided to record this video to inform you what NUVIALABMeno is and, if it works, crucial details up until completion of the video. Fine. When you go to the official site of NUVIALABMeno, you need to know that it is a natural supplement to assist women who are going through menopause with a custom formula that contains patented and trademarked components that are backed by research and has been shown to help ladies get rid of the most. You can forget menopause and take pleasure in a healthier and more energetic life. NUVIALABMeno is a health food supplement that integrates 9 components. Routine use of the item assists in alleviating the pain related to menopause. Discover why Nuvialabmeno's formula is unique and reliable. Consisting of life, a special fenugreek seed extract containing 50 saponins has been shown to positively impact lowering hot flashes, night sweats, and irritation. In addition, this ingredient likewise influences the maintenance of positive, intimate relationships and complete satisfaction with sexual relations. Allopurinol is a natural source of phytoestrogens that numerous women rate as a much safer alternative to hormonal agent replacement treatment. They verified a marked decrease in hot flashes within the first 6 weeks of use, in addition to a significant enhancement in sleep quality and a reduction in irritability. The other unique ingredients like red clover, leaf, and flower extract, vitamin E alfalfa extract, vitamin B6 rhubarb root extracts, folic acid recommendations. Vitamin NUVIALABMeno can provide you back more energy and state of mind. Learn more about all information on the active ingredients on the main website. I left the link here below in the description of this video and also in the first set comment. Many females are having outcomes. Have a look at Maria's review after numerous explores various pills. I lastly discovered an item that truly works. I have a lot of energy, great mood, and high libido. The constant heat waves and night sweats have stopped troubling me. My only remorse is that I found this item so late. She confirms so. Yes, you can trust this product also for NUVIALABMeno to work. You require to take the treatment seriously. Otherwise, you won't see excellent outcomes, and you will actually get a bit frustrated just to take 2 capsules a day of NUVIALABMeno daily, without interruption. To help keep your hormones to keep you in a better state of mind and more energy than in the past, you can see preliminary outcomes as early as the very first month of use. However, the majority of people have much better results. After 3 months of using this product, I suggest buying the kit with more bottles, due to the fact that then you can check the treatment more completely and get a bigger discount, having the ability to evaluate with the guarantee, and if, for some reason you do not like it, they return your cash. It is also crucial for you to know that NUVIALABMeno is completely natural and has no adverse effects with a 100 money-back guarantee. Okay, Nuvialabmeno to really work. You require to dedicate and check the treatment to see your outcomes, and be careful with the site where you will buy, not to wind up damaging your health with fake products. And to help you, I left the link to the main site of Nuvialabmeno here below in the description of this video, and also in the very first set a comment for you to access securely and enjoy the discount. I want to have assisted you with this info. Thank you. Thank you.